This is Dan here from the Herbert Outdoor Channel. We're about to hit the waters here off the Arkansas River, top side of Lock and Dam 13. We're going to do a little fishing here and hopefully we'll get a bite. Had a great day yesterday, but it was raining, and of course we caught the best fish during the rain. But rainy weather is kind of detrimental to the camera gear, so let's get started and see what we can find. Good Lord be with us and take care of us, watch over us. Hopefully provide us with some fish. If not, we thank you for this wonderful opportunity to get out here on the waters. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. There you go, folks. That's what it's about. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's a pretty one. Looky there. Thank you, Jesus. Looky there. Nice one. She's right up there on the bank. I'll show you here in just a minute what I'm throwing it with here. There you go, F1. Ooh, splashed me there a little bit. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Let's take a look at what we're using today. Today we got the Sexy Shad Z-Man chatterbait. I believe this is a 3/8 ounce with a Kitech trailer. Let's take a look at that up close. Yeah. And I am throwing that on 30-pound braid because these shorelines here are known for a lot of debris and brush, easy to snag on. Just something I don't want to deal with. So we want to be able to take it out of there nice and easy like that. That was nice. Good little provided us with a fish. See if we can get some more.
You need to get yourself a fishing pole.
I can't find none.
Normally there's a bunch right along here.
Yeah, but I figure they're up spawning now. I'm just not getting any bites along these banks.
Tell you what, that's a nice deal you got there.
Well, it's getting where I'm getting too old for
Yeah.
sitting like this all day.
You get good gas mileage anyway.
Yeah.
Need a beer? We'll throw you a beer if you need a beer.
Oh no, I'm good. I appreciate it though.
Okay.
Let me try this little pocket here.
Yeah, a little pocket. Normally brim and stuff, well that's probably a little later in summer. Normally you catch a bunch of brim. And then catfish along there are,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Last year I came along down through here. Man, I hooked into one that, oh my gosh. I don't know if it was catfish or what, but normally when I hook into a fish and I set the hook,
Yeah.
I can lift the fish
Yeah,
in the water.
yeah.
This one, I could not lift and it kept going down.
Yeah, yeah. If it feels like a stump, it's normally a catfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're tough.
Well, I hooked it up by the bank. I was, I had a jig and I was just kind of bouncing it out. And I thought I hooked onto maybe a log or something. It started rolling down. And so I was just kind of trying to shake it free. And it kept going, went under the kayak, started pulling me around and heading out to deeper water. And,
They will. They'll pull a boat like yours.
and then it just let go. Don't know what it was, but never had a fish that I couldn't at least lift it some in the water. Well, you have a good evening. folks, that concludes a day of fishing with Dan. Hope you enjoyed it. We ended up catching 2, which was more than expected. If you like this video, give us a comment below. If you know some techniques that would improve my fishing. Of course, the conditions weren't that great, but if you got any ideas that'll help me out, comment below and we'll see if we can include them in our next video. Love you all. Remember, Jesus is our Savior, and keep Him in your life.